Okay, they've been working on getting a few things sawed up. There's what's left of the grill. Anyway, now you can get a better shot of Mom's bedroom. Let me get around here. This is Mom's room. What's left of Mom's room. Right here. We get this sawed up. And they brought a camper in, but it's not going to sustain us all. So we're hoping that EMA or FEMA or Red Cross can get a better camper in here. We don't have hot water over there, and as soon as we take our house out, but the car with the tree off, take you around here. Like, this is just the one room. We still can't get in and get to some of our personal belongings, but you can see in there. And then every night we've had like the same kind of weather. The weather forecast for it happening almost every single night. Temperatures is getting like 100 well, it was 113 down at the bank in Pomeroy the day that this one came in. They did get it cut here, which I really need a walkway through here somehow, so when we start storing stuff. But it moved a little bit last night. I mean, there's going to be wood everywhere. Over there's the camper that Mom is staying in. The pool is still standing. Generators are running. Come in, look at the car. See a better look at it now. That's what's left of the car. And we just got that one because Tom was going to have to go to it. We have a borrowed car, but there's another view. It's still the living room. The one that came into the living room isn't cleaned up yet. They started cutting on it up here. I don't know if you can see that. I'll take you in and show you the living room again. Haven't been able to do too much. We're still waiting on the insurance adjuster and all of that. They did get this sawed. It kind of worried me when they sawed this because we're still getting the storms every night. And when this is laying on there before it was cut, maybe you can see this. This is the living room. I was able to get the pictures of my, I have pictures of my pets where that is the living room. I don't remember what that bit's for up there. Hot water here. I probably ought to have Tom to look at that and make sure. Because with the generator, we can still take a bath over here, which has really been a blessing. Tom is still sleeping in his room. But I see the work crews coming in. A lot of people's been coming over and helping. But I don't know. Just a lot going on. And I'm hoping I can take care of Mom and would cross over here, but I'm afraid to trust the wood on the deck. I'll see if I can take you out there and show you some of Buddy's cuts. I don't know if I can get to him or not.